In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design food poster in Canva. Start by opening a food poster template that matches the vibe you're going for. Templates give you a strong layout to begin with, and you can customize everything. Once it's open, change the background color to something that complements your cuisine. Warm tones work well for comfort food, while fresh greens and whites feel crisp and modern. You can always adjust this later if your elements need more contrast. Next, head to Elements and add a simple square. This shape will become a bold, graphic backdrop for your dish. Resize the square to roughly the size you want, then rotate it slightly to create movement. Enlarge it diagonally so it stretches beyond the canvas edges. This creates a dynamic frame without clutter. Reposition the square until it supports your layout, then change its color to something that contrasts with the background and your food image. A muted secondary color often looks polished. Go to Uploads, bring in your food photo and rotate it to echo the angle of the square. Resize and reposition it so the dish is the hero, typically near the center or slightly off-center for balance. With the image selected, click Edit and add shadows. Choose Drop Shadow and adjust the distance so it feels grounded without looking heavy. A subtle shadow can make the food pop and add depth. Add text for your headline or slogan. Type a short, punchy line, then resize it so it's readable from a distance. Change the text color to something with strong contrast, and pick a font that matches your brand: bold for playful, serif for classic, or clean sans serif for modern. Adjust the position to create clear hierarchy between the image and the headline. Return to Elements to add visual details like a simple icon or shape to highlight contact info or a call-out. Select the element, add it to the canvas, and scale it to fit. Apply a drop shadow here too if you want consistency with your photo. Add another text box for your contact details or ordering info. Type the essential details, then adjust the font and size so it's legible but not overpowering. Position it centered within the element you added. Use Canva's smart guides to snap it into place. Review spacing, colors, and alignment, and make sure everything looks cohesive. That's it. You've designed a clean, attention-grabbing